The clock reads 2:17 a.m. The world outside is silent, but inside your bedroom your mind is anything but quiet. The soft glow of the alarm clock is a constant reminder that sleep is slipping further away with every passing minute. You're exhausted, your body aches for rest, but your mind refuses to cooperate. You lie there, eyes wide open, feeling the weight of fatigue pressing down, yet unable to drift off. Thoughts race through your head, replaying yesterday's regrets, worrying about tomorrow's challenges, and feeling the sting of frustration as you realize you're wide awake while the rest of the world sleeps peacefully. Every tick of the clock feels like a taunt, a cruel reminder that time is passing and sleep is nowhere in sight. The quiet darkness amplifies every worry, every doubt, every fear. You toss, turn, and adjust your pillow, searching for that elusive, comfortable position. You try lying on your back, your side, even sitting up, but nothing seems to help. Sleep remains just out of reach, like a door that's been locked from the inside. For many seniors, this isn't just an occasional bad night, it's a nightly struggle. You're not alone in this battle. Millions of older adults face the same restless nights night after night. Instead of the peace and relaxation you hoped for in your golden years, you're greeted by restless nights and groggy, sluggish mornings. The promise of restful sleep seems to have faded with time. Poor sleep clouds your mind, drains your energy, and makes even simple joys, like reading the morning paper or enjoying a cup of tea, feel overwhelming. Everyday tasks become harder, and your patience wears thin. You begin to dread the night knowing that another battle with insomnia is waiting for you. The anticipation alone can make it even harder to relax, creating a vicious cycle that's tough to break. This cycle of sleeplessness and fatigue can feel impossible to escape. Each morning, you wake up feeling more tired than the night before, and hope for change starts to fade. You've tried everything you can think of: relaxation exercises, deep breathing, counting sheep, even reasoning with your own body. But nothing seems to work, and the frustration only grows. The frustration builds night after night until it feels like your own body is betraying you. You wonder why something as natural as sleep has become so difficult, so elusive. This isn't just a minor annoyance, it's a thief that steals your vitality, your joy, and your sense of well-being. It can leave you feeling isolated and hopeless. Sleeplessness doesn't just make you tired, it affects your balance, your memory, and even your immune system. It can increase your risk of falls, make you more forgetful, and leave you vulnerable to illness. It's a silent epidemic, quietly chipping away at your quality of life. But it doesn't have to be this way. You deserve better: restful nights, brighter days, and the energy to enjoy the things you love. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, stretching in the morning sunlight and looking forward to the day ahead. That feeling of renewal is possible, no matter your age. The good news? There are real, practical ways to reclaim your nights and restore your sleep. Let's explore how you can break free from the cycle of insomnia and rediscover the restful sleep you deserve. You've tried herbal teas, chamomile, lavender, valerian. Maybe you've even experimented with blends promising to lull you into a peaceful slumber. The ritual of brewing a warm cup before bed can be soothing, and for a moment, you feel a gentle calm wash over you. But as you finish your tea and settle in, you realize the effect is fleeting. The calm fades quickly, and you're left staring at the ceiling, wishing for real rest. These teas may help you unwind, but they rarely deliver the deep, lasting sleep you crave. Afternoon naps can feel like a lifesaver, especially after a restless night. They offer a brief escape from fatigue, but if you nap too long or too late in the day, you might find yourself wide awake when it's finally time for bed. The cycle continues, and restful nights remain out of reach. Over-the-counter sleep aids promise quick fixes. They might help you drift off, but often leave you feeling groggy and sluggish the next morning. Over time, your body can build a tolerance, making these pills less effective and sometimes even disrupting your natural sleep patterns. With so many options, teas, pills, supplements, it's easy to feel frustrated. You try remedy after remedy, but none seem to address the real reason you're struggling to sleep. These solutions might help you doze off for a while, but they don't guide you into the deep, restorative sleep your body truly needs. You toss and turn, hoping for a breakthrough that never comes. True sleep quality isn't just about the number of hours you spend in bed. It's about reaching those crucial deep sleep stages, when your body repairs, your mind resets, and you wake up feeling genuinely refreshed. Without deep sleep, mornings feel heavy. You wake up groggy, your energy low, and it's hard to shake the feeling that you never truly rested. It's time to look beyond surface solutions and quick fixes. Real lasting rest requires a different approach, one that supports your body's natural rhythms and addresses the root causes of your sleep struggles. Your body needs support that works with its natural rhythms. Gentle evening routines, calming environments, and mindful habits can make a world of difference. Let's explore remedies that truly help you rest, ones that nurture your mind and body, and help you wake up feeling restored. Here's what you need to know to finally get the deep, restorative sleep you deserve. Warm milk before bed is comforting, but its sleep-inducing power is mostly psychological. The tryptophan in milk is minimal and often ineffective, especially as we age. For many seniors, milk can cause digestive issues, making sleep even harder. Drinking water at night, it leads to bathroom trips that disrupt your sleep. Hydrate during the day, not right before bed. What you need is a nighttime drink that supports your body's sleep processes, without side effects. It should help regulate your sleep cycle and promote deeper rest. It's time to update your bedtime ritual with something that truly works. Meet Tart cherry juice, a natural science-backed sleep solution. Made from Montmorency or Balaton cherries, this sour juice is rich in nutrients that support sleep. Tart cherry juice is one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Drinking it can boost your melatonin levels, helping your brain prepare for sleep naturally. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that ease discomfort and promote relaxation. This dual action, regulating hormones and reducing inflammation, makes it uniquely effective. Tart cherry juice doesn't sedate you, it helps your body manage its own sleep cycles. You'll experience deeper, more restorative sleep. It's a simple change with a big impact. Let's see how it works. Sleep is a complex process, orchestrated by hormones like melatonin. As we age, melatonin production drops, making sleep elusive. Tart cherries are a natural source of melatonin, directly supplementing what your body lacks. Studies show tart cherry juice increases melatonin in the bloodstream, reinforcing your body's natural sleep signals. But there's more. Tart cherries help preserve tryptophan, an amino acid needed for serotonin, which calms the mind. More tryptophan means more serotonin, which then converts to melatonin. This two-pronged approach helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Research confirms Tart cherry juice improves both sleep time and sleep efficiency. Less tossing and turning, more true rest. That's the magic of Tart cherries. Melatonin is your body's natural sleep hormone, and it plays a crucial role in helping you fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. This hormone is highly sensitive to light, especially the blue light that comes from screens like smartphones, tablets, and televisions. When you use these devices before bed, the blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which suppresses melatonin production and makes it much harder to drift off to sleep. That's why so many people find themselves tossing and turning after scrolling through their phones at night. The more you expose yourself to screens before bedtime, the more you disrupt your body's natural sleep rhythm. But there's a simple, natural way to help restore your melatonin rhythm: Tart cherry juice. This juice is one of the few foods that actually contains melatonin, and drinking it in the evening can gently nudge your body back into its natural sleep cycle. Another key player in the sleep process is tryptophan, an amino acid found in foods like turkey, eggs, nuts, and seeds. Tryptophan is essential because your body uses it to produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and relaxation. Serotonin not only calms your mind and eases anxiety, but it also sets the stage for melatonin production later in the evening, creating a smooth transition from wakefulness to restful sleep. What's fascinating is that tart cherries don't just provide melatonin, they also contain natural compounds that help your body preserve tryptophan. This means you get more serotonin and ultimately more melatonin, all from a simple glass of juice. This synergy between tryptophan, serotonin, and melatonin creates a natural cascade: a calm mind, a relaxed body, and the deep, restorative sleep you need to feel your best. Making a nightly glass of tart cherry juice part of your bedtime routine supports this entire process, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Unlike over-the-counter sleep aids or pills that simply make you drowsy, tart cherry juice works with your body's natural chemistry, supporting real restorative sleep. By choosing this natural approach, you're working with your body, not against it. and setting yourself up for brighter mornings and better days. That's the power of nature's sleep solution. Simple, effective, and gentle on your system. Try making Tart cherry juice a regular part of your evening routine, and experience the difference for yourself, night after night. Adding Tart cherry juice to your evening is easy. Choose 100% Tart cherry juice, Montmorency or Balaton, no added sugar. A small glass, about 8 ounces, 1 to 2 hours before bed is ideal. Make it part of a calming ritual. Read, listen to music, or stretch while you sip. If the taste is too tart, dilute with water, but skip the sugar. Try it warm for a soothing bedtime drink. Just don't boil it. Consistency is key. Drink it nightly for at least a week or two. Think of it as an investment in your sleep health. Over time, your body will adjust and your sleep will improve. This simple ritual could be your key to deep restorative rest. Tart cherry juice works best as part of a healthy sleep routine. Start with good sleep hygiene. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains and minimize electronic lights. Get morning sunlight to anchor your body's clock. Stay active during the day, but avoid intense exercise before bed. Develop a pre-sleep routine. Turn off screens, take a warm bath, or read under soft light. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol in the evening. Hydrate earlier in the day, not right before bed. Combine these habits with your nightly Tart cherry juice. Together they create a powerful plan for better sleep. You're not just treating symptoms, you're building a foundation for lasting rest. Take these steps, and you'll reclaim your nights. Your best sleep is within reach. You've spent too many nights battling sleeplessness. Now you have a natural, effective tool, Tart cherry juice. Start tonight. Find 100% Tart cherry juice and set up your evening ritual. Make this a symbol of your commitment to better health. Consistency is your ally. Stick with it, and you'll see results. Imagine waking up refreshed, energized, and ready for the day. Better sleep transforms everything: your mood, energy, and joy. This is your first step toward a healthier, more vibrant life. Keep learning, keep improving, and protect your sleep. Your health is in your hands. Try the secret drink for deep sleep and begin your transformation. For more tips and support, follow my work. Sweet dreams.